pretend Barbie friends are gonna die. What? Flip and dive Barbie doll and friends wear Speedo swimsuits. All sold separately.
For thousands of years, one mystery is hidden in the shadows of time. Scientists have devoted their lives to finding the answer, but the question still remains.
Do you think my head could fit in his nostril?
At the Canadian Museum of Nature, the fun comes first. The learning comes naturally. We've gathered over 10 million specimens, each one a key to unlocking the mysteries of the natural world. It's all part of our ongoing mission to help Canadians discover, understand, and treasure the wonders of nature.
This one has a small nose.
Yes, but nose with large eyes and dexterous forelimbs.
Evie's been missing something lately.
Like that.
Values. There's nothing wrong about wanting to go into the girls' bathroom. You know, role model.
I would have donated my kidney whether you needed it or not.
Guidance.
That's a good way to lose me.
But now, Holston has two new names. Cow and Chicken. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. Only on Teletoon.
I think I'm gonna be sick.